Welcome to Tanu Science. In this video, we will see the answers for all the 1 mark questions from chapter 13 Structural Organization of Animals of class 10 Science. First part, choose the correct answer. Question number 1. In leech, locomotion is performed by contraction and relaxation of muscles. Option D is the right answer. Second one, the segments of leech are known as metameres, somites. Option A is the right answer. Third one, pharyngeal ganglion in leech is a part of nervous system. Option B is the right answer. Question number 4. The brain of leech lies above the pharynx. Option C is the right answer. Fifth one, the body of leech has 33 segments. Option B is the right answer. Sixth one, mammals are dash animals, warm-blooded animals. Option B is the right answer. Seventh one, the animals which give birth to young ones are viviparous. Option B is the right answer. Second one, that is second part, fill in the blanks. The posterior sucker is formed by the fusion of the dash segments. Last 7 segments. Second one, the existence of 2 sets of teeth in the life of an animal is called dash dentition, that is diphyodont dentition. Third one, the anterior end of leech has a lobe-like structure called anterior sucker. Anterior sucker. Then fourth one, the blood sucking habit of leech is known as sanguivorous. Sanguivorous. Fifth one, dash separate nitrogenous waste from the blood in rabbit. Nephron of kidneys. So nephrons of kidneys separate nitrogenous waste from the blood in rabbit. Seventh one, dash spinal nerves are present in rabbit. 37 pairs. Next part, third Roman letter. Identify whether the statements are true or false. Correct the false statement. First one, an anticoagulant present in saliva of leech is called heparin. This is false. We have to correct the statement. Heparin should not come, hirudin. Second one, the vas deferens serves to transport the ovum. This is false. Not ovum, that is sperm cells. Third one, the rabbit has a third eyelid called tympanic membrane which is movable. This is false because the rabbit has a third eyelid called nictitating membrane. Nictitating membrane. Fourth one, diastema is a gap between premolar and molar teeth in rabbit. This is false. Instead of molar, incisor should come. So diastema is a gap between premolar and incisors. Then fifth one, the cerebral hemispheres of rabbit are connected by band of nerve tissue called corpora quadrigemina. False. Instead of this corpora quadrigemina, corpus callosum should come. Corpus callosum. Next part, fourth part, match columns 1, 2 and 3 correctly. The given organs, membranous covering, location. brain covering is meninx. Then meninx located in the cranial cavity. Kidney located, that is kidney membranous coverage capsule located abdominal cavity. Heart membranous covering is pericardium, which is located mediastinum. Lungs membranous covering is pleura, which is located in enclosed in thoracic cavity. Thank you, students.